were completely in charge of academic and administrative duties is the long past. That school teachers today are community builder, change maker, and visionaries. So the today's teacher may be the community builder, change maker, and the visionaries of today. They are essential in establishing the school's culture and ideals. And the success of the school may be greatly impacted by their capacity to build solid relationship with the local community. So the educational institutions, the achievement of the or the success of the any educational institutions is based on the capacity of the teachers, those who are working in the any institutions. So they are essential in establishing the school culture and ideals, and the success of the school may be greatly impacted by their capacity to build solid relationship with the local community. How the teachers build the relationship with the local community is helping a lot to enhance the or to develop the educational institutions. Then first one is open communication channels. The key strategies for building strong school community partnerships. First one is the open communication channel. What may be the open communication channels? The effective communication is the foundation of any successful partnership. First, the teachers must communicate with effectively. Actually, the effective communication is the foundation of any successful partnership. The school teachers should establish open lines of communication with parents, community members, and other stakeholders. The regular meetings, newsletters, and digital platforms can facilitate a transparent and ongoing communication. So nowadays, the free and open communication. Actually, this open communication means the teacher should communicate the entire things or all the activities to the parents and the community level stakeholders. The stakeholders may be the alumni or the local body members and the other the members of the community. So the teachers should communicate freely to the society. Then the identifying needs. Second key strategy may be the identifying the needs. What may be the needs of the students as well as the community? The teacher should identify needs. Then only they can fulfill. For the fulfillment, the teacher may involve various activities to identify the needs. School teachers need to understand the unique needs of their community. What the community needs from the institution, as well as the reciprocal, what the institution needs from the community. So this may be the second one, the second key strategies for building strong relationship between school as well as the community. The school teachers need to understand the unique needs of their community by actively engaging with local organization and residents. எப்படி அவங்க ஆக்சுவலா வந்து அந்த நீட்ஸை நம்ம they can identify அப்படின்னா by actively engaging with the local organization and residents. They can identify opportunities for collaboration that align with both the school's goals and the community interest. So already நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி வந்து the teacher must identify the needs of the society as well as the needs of the students or institutions. This may be the reciprocal one to fulfill the needs of the society from the institution as well as to fulfill the needs of the institution by the community people. This may be the reciprocal one. Then shared vision and goal. The teacher or any leader or any head of the institution must share the vision and goal of the institution to the society. Then only they can ready to or they can render their service to the institution. First, a successful partnership is built on a shared vision and education. The school teachers should work collaboratively with the community partners to establish common goals that address the needs of students and the community at large. Actually, the teachers maybe share the vision and goal of the institution as well as the community. Then engaging stakeholders. The next one is engaging stakeholders. The teachers involve a diverse range of stakeholders, including parents, teachers, students, local businessmen, and non-profit organizations in decision-making process. This is very, very important. Engaging stakeholder means the teacher or the head of the institution can or should involve the various stakeholders, maybe the parents or alumni or students or local business or non-profit organization members to take decision making for the betterment of the any educational institutions or to strengthening the any educational institutions. So the teacher may engage or involving the students, alumni members, as well as the local non-profit organization members, as well as the local body government, maybe the ward member or councillor or the panchayat presidents. They can involve and they can help to take the decision for betterment of the any institutions. Then community engagement events. This is next key strategies for building the strong school community partnerships. The organize events that bring the school and community together, such as workshops, fairs, and community service projects. These events only strengthen ties, but also these events not only strengthening the ties, but also showcase the positive impact of collaboration. By organizing the community engagement events, the teacher can involve the various stakeholders to exhibit their talents or to exhibit their involvement towards the institutions. So for that, the teacher can arrange the workshop or educational fair or any fairs and community service projects. Through this, the community can benefit as well as the institutions can benefit by vice versa. So the teacher can arrange the community engagement events in the schools, in the premises of the schools. Then the utilizing resources. How the teacher utilize the resources is another key strategies for building the relationship between school as well as community partnership. Modern school teachers can tap into the resources available within the community, whether it's mentorship program or internship or funding opportunities. Leveraging local resources enhances students' learning expertise. Actually, the teachers can utilize the local resources or community resources to strengthen the schools. Actually, இப்போ நார்மலா வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா the students they can engage or they can involve the internship program or the mentorship program by the use of the local resources of the local community. They can involve or they can undergo the internship or mentorship program in the community levels. Actually, அவங்க வந்து நம்ம நார்மலா வந்து என்னன்னா இப்போ நம்ம ஆக்சுவலா as a teacher educators we are sending the students the teacher trainees to our schools, to the nearby schools. By this may be the actually ரெண்டு சைடு நமக்கு பெனிஃபிட் ஆகுது. அந்த ஸ்கூல் students can benefit out of this trainees as well as we can get benefited through our community resources. So the teacher can utilize the community resources. Then celebrating diversity. Actually, the even identical twins also differ in their ability, attitude, aptitude, character, IQ, and all means even identical twins also differ in their all aspects, then how we can expect the unity, not the unity, the actually how we can normal நம்ம இந்தியாவுடைய அந்த ஒரு தாரக மந்திரம் என்ன சொல்றோம்னா unity in diversity, because we are having the peoples from different religion, different linguistics, then different cultures. So in India there were 1600 languages we are spoken. ஆக்சுவலா இந்தியாவுல மட்டுமே 1600 மொழிகள் பேசப்படுது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So this much of difference or diversity in the linguistics, language, as well as the community, or as well as the religion, or as well as the culture. Actually the culture is differ from 100 kilometers. Normally இந்தியாவுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா over 100 kilometersக்கு the culture may differ. இப்போ in Tamil Nadu the culture is not same in Chennai and Kanyakumari, or in Chennai and Theni, and Chennai in Coimbatore. So the culture is differ in every 100 kilometers or 200 kilometers. So we are living in the society where the diversity exists. So they embrace the cultural diversity within the community and integrate into the curriculum. The acknowledging the celebrating different backgrounds and perspective enriches the educational journey for all students. So we can celebrate the diversity. Even the diversity, we are unity in our country. Actually அதுதான் தாரக மந்திரமா சொல்றோம், the diverse unity in diversity. So we can celebrate the diversity. Where culture ஆன people, we cannot force them to follow the single culture or single language or single the religion. So in these reasons we can celebrate the diversity of our nation. So this is the key strategies for building strong school community partnerships. Then the changing role of school teachers. Actually this is the already we discussed, the teacher is the community builders, change makers and visionaries in the today's world. So by giving the training to the present teachers or the student teachers, we can create a better as well as the understanding school community partnerships. So for that reason, now we are the PPG College of Education arranging these kind of programs for betterment of the student teachers, the teacher educators as well as students. Then why community engagement matters? Actually we are talking about community engagement for betterment of the institution as well as the community. அப்படி நம்ம நிறைய பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். Then why these kind of informations now we are talking? The first one is the holistic learning experiences, then enhanced student success, the resource optimization, community investment, the innovation and adaptability. So these are the key areas we need the community engagement. So holistic learning experiences means the students and as well as the teachers, they involve themselves to work for the betterment of the community resources. Then enhance student success by the involvement of the community to the institution's interest. The students success rate may be the increase. There are many case studies give their report. If we involve the community for the school activities, the students' success rate may be increased. Then resource optimization by the involvement of community to the institution and the institution to the community, we can share the resources. We can use the both resources in effective manner. Then community investment. Actually, this community investment is play a vital role for the betterment of the or the strengthening of the any institution. I think in Madurai, the founder of HCL, I think Shiv Nadar, he invested around 6 crores for the school where he studied on corporation school. I think nearby Rajaji Government Hospital, GH, Madurai, the Ilango Corporation, Ilango Higher Secondary School. He donated more than 6 crores for a single school, out of which they created a wonderful environment for the students. All schools having the smart boards, and smart board means very many smart board illa. The student, all the students can work in the smart boards. அங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே ஆக்சுவலா அந்த என்விரான்மெண்டே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா கார்பரேஷன் இளங்கோ ஹையர் செகண்டரி ஸ்கூல் இன் நியர்பை ராஜாஜி கவர்மெண்ட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் மதுரை. தி ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்து ஒரு 6 crores அப்படின்றப்ப, ஸோ ஃபார் திஸ் ரீசன் வி கேன் அப்ரோச் தி அலுமினை. ஸோ ஏன்னா நிறைய வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த அலுமினஸ் இவங்க வந்து தே கேன் ரெடி டு donate to the schools as well as any institutions. So for this reason, we can invite the philanthropists as well as the alumnus of the any institution. They can ready to support to create a better environment for the students. Then the innovation and adaptability for today's the changing world. Actually, we are living in the modern scientific era, isn't it? Through this, actually, the technological advancement, actually, the advancement in the field of technology, we are enjoying a lot. Actually, the in general advancement in technology, but in particular, advancement in the field of electronics, we are having so much of facilities. For which we can put the English alphabet E in front of anything and everything in the world, like e-toys, e-money order, e-banking, e-commerce, e-marriage, and e-divorce too. Many of us read the news in the newspapers. The e-marriage also happened, as well as e-divorce also happened. See, the both actually அந்த மாப்பிள்ளையும் பொண்ணும் வேற இடத்துல இருக்காங்க. they tied a knot through the technology அப்படின்ற மாதிரி வந்து நிறைய வந்து e-marriages நடந்திருக்கு. So because of the advancement in the field of technology in general, in particular in the field of electronics. So அப்போ இந்த electronics ஓட advancement வந்ததை வச்சு நம்ம we can use these kind of technologies in our classrooms. So from the help of the community, we can implement the innovation and the adaptability in our regular classrooms for the enhancing the students' success. So this is what we need, the community engagement. Then the role of teachers for creating the community as well as the institution partnership. What may be the role of teachers? Anyone can give your opinion. What may be the role of the teachers to build the community as well as the institution engagement or partnership? Can anyone? Okay, actually the engaging with the community not only enriches the teaching experiences, but also provides opportunities for professional growth and development. For this reason, the teachers may be the facilitators of community engagement. Actually, the teacher only can create the relationship between community as well as any institution. He only can connect the various stakeholders. The teacher or any head of the institution can come forward to tie up with the or to partnership with the community as well as the any institution. For this reason, the teacher can connect the various stakeholders in the community. The stakeholders means maybe the alumni or the philanthropist or maybe the other the members, those who are involved in the community means the local body government heads, maybe the ward member or the councillor or the president or the if the corporation, maybe the mayor. So for the to strengthening the community engagement, the teacher work hard. He only can connect between the institution as well as the community. He can be a actually liaison man. Liaison man means liaison person. Liaison person means they can create the relationship between the community as well as the institution. So actually on the oru mathiyasthara or naduvara irundu, the teacher can facilitate the community engagement by connecting with the diverse stakeholders for the creation of good environment or better environment or the better infrastructure among the schools. So better infrastructure in the school premises. Then the students can benefited out of the facilities provided by the community with the help of the teachers. So this is the role of teachers for creating the community engagement. Then understanding community needs for before creating the partnership with the institution as well as the community, the teacher must understand the community needs, what they need or what is the primary aspects they need. Actually, in the teacher must conducting need assessments by the way of the group of teachers can involve the needs assessments among the community people or in the community. So with the headship of the principal or headmasters or headmistress, the teachers can go to the community and they can assess the needs of the, or they can get the information about the needs of the community. Then the tailoring engagement strategies. The tailoring means நம்ம நார்மலா ஆக்சுவலா வந்து டெய்லரிங் டெய்லர்-மேட் as well as ரெடிமேட் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். அந்த ரெடிமேட் அப்படின்றது டெய்லர்-மேட் அப்படின்றது ஆக்சுவலா இட்ஸ் a very suitable or exactly suited for a particular person. Whereas ready-made அப்படின்றது பாத்தீங்கன்னா that may be suitable for some persons, but some of the persons the height may be right, but the width of that shirt may be the uncomfortable. சரிங்களா? So அது வந்து நம்ம ready-made அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். அதே மாதிரி the ready-made strategies is not suitable or not work in all the communities and in all aspects of the communities. So the tailoring engagement strategies means we can create or we can evolve the strategies to fulfill the needs of the particular community. Particular community means that nearby schools பத்தி அல்லது இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷனுக்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய, ஏன்னா ஒவ்வொரு ஏரியாவுக்கும் the needs is differ from one area to another area, so that the teacher must assess the needs of that particular community. Then they can tailoring the strategies to fulfill the needs of the particular community. So this is the tailoring engagement strategies. First, the teacher can conducting needs assessment. Then through that needs assessment or information from that needs assessment, he or she can tailoring the strategies to solve or to fulfill the needs of that particular community. Then the teacher must build trust and rapport in the between the institution as well as the community. The importance of trust in partnership is very, very the crucial one. Actually, the teacher must provide the trust or to entrust the trust. Actually, the mutual trust is very, very important for involving the partnership. Without trust, நம்ம என்னது ஆக்சுவலா எந்த விதமான activitiesலையும் we can't get the fruitful results. So the trust is very, very important for any partnership. So between here the partnership between the institution as well as the community. So importance of trust and in partnerships. Then the teacher can communication strategies for building rapport. The teacher can create the communication strategies for building rapport among the institution as well as the community. They can develop the communication strategies. Then collaborative planning and decision making. The teachers can involving community members in decision making process and shared vision and goals. Through the involvement of the community members in decision making process, they can share the vision and goals of the institution as well as the community for achieving the goals of both the institutions, maybe the school or college or the community. Then the leveraging resources. The leveraging resources means the teachers or head of the institutions can utilize the community resources for the development of these schools or any institutions. Then tapping into community resources. ஏன்னா ஆக்சுவலா இந்த நாட்டில் உள்ள வளங்கள் அனைத்துமே ஆக்சுவலா ரிசோர்சஸ் அப்படின்றது நம்ம வளம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So the community resources is not for some of the peoples or some of the persons. The community resources is meant for all the peoples. So we can get benefited through the community resources. All can get benefited through the resources of our community. So first, the teacher can tapping into the community resources, then maximizing support for educational initiatives. After getting tapping the community resources, the teacher can support for educational initiatives to strengthening the school environment for betterment of the students' educational activities. So leveraging resources. Then effective communication. The clear and transparent communication channels the teacher can use. Then utilizing multiple platforms that may be the meetings, newsletters, and social media. Through the social media, the teacher can use these multiple platforms for effective communication. Then engaging diverse stakeholders. Then example of successful partnerships. Before giving the two examples by me, can anyone give your experience, the successful partnership in any institution? ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு successful partnership. So through this partnership, இந்த அளவுக்கு பெனிஃபிட்டா இருந்தது அப்படின்றது, can anyone share your ideas and views? எல்லாம் மீட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களோ?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
May I?
ma'am. Yes. So, yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
I think Agaram Foundation, they have contributed much to providing education for students who are who belong to poverty background. So they help them in achieving master degrees and so on. So I think their contribution to the society is beneficial.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right, ma'am. The Agaram Foundation, every year they spent crores rupees to uplift the very needed as well as the poor, the socially, economically disadvantaged groups for the betterment of that particular groups. They spent lots of money. The Agaram Foundation can help only through the institution, not only the any private agencies. They provide their service and support through the schools only, through the institution only. They spend a lot of amount every year. Like the madam's point, they spent a huge amount for the school education also, for school education, college, as well as the professional educations, even doctors and engineers, they can benefited from the Agaram Foundation. Actually, there were one school, actually successful in Madurai, one school in Madurai and another one school in Dindigul. Initially, they were struggling to get the admissions. Even in long ago, that school is a very that's two schools were very familiar as well as very famous in these particular areas in the southern Tamil Nadu. But day by day, the other day actually on the strength of that particular schools were very poor actually. Because of that, the admissions, they are struggling to get the admissions from the community. Then the teachers, those who are working in that particular schools, they decided what we can do for our schools. Then they can go to meet the every parents. Every parents means all the parents of the children having the children's, the school age children's, but their children's may be the studying in nearby schools are very famous nearby schools. For that reason, they are initially they are not supporting to these faculty members or these teachers, but then day by day they approach us. The next year they approach that parents, and they approaches the Panchayat president as well as the corporation mayors. They actually அவங்க அதுக்கு பின்னாடி என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா, meantime the teachers get the funds from the alumni as well as the philanthropist. They created the well infrastructure or the ஆக்சுவலா என்னன்னா நம்ம சொல்ல ஆக்சுவலா ஃபர்னிஷ்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம்ல ஹோம்ல, அதே மாதிரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்கூல்ல பொறுத்த அளவுக்கு தே கிரியேட்டட் எ வெரி குட் இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர். அங்க ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு ஆன் பார் வித் தி ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு பெரிய ஃபேமஸான ஒரு பிரைவேட் ஸ்கூல்ல என்ன இருக்கோ, தே கிரியேட்டட் தி ஃபெசிலிட்டி ஆன் பார் வித் தி very famous as well as the private institutions. So அது மாதிரி அவங்க they created a well infrastructure in the premises. அப்படி அவங்க ஆரம்பிச்ச பின்னாடி என்னன்னா they help the students to speak in the English fluently. ஆக்சுவலா அதுதான் மெயினா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்க ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க இருக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு. ஆக்சுவலா if ஆரம்பத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா there were 2000-3000 students studied, but at that particular time the strength reduced below 500 or below 400. So they அவங்க இருந்தாலும் வந்து அந்த டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து வெக்ஸ் ஆகல, மனம் தளரல. பட் தே ஆர் ஒர்க் ஹார்ட், தே வர் ஒர்க் ஹார்ட் டு கிவ் தி அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்து என்னன்னா ஒரு இங்கிலீஷ் ஃப்ளூவன்சியை வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொடுக்க ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க. தென் அவங்க அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இஸ் தி அம்பாசிடர் ஆஃப் தட் பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்கூல்ஸ். அவங்களே என்னன்னா வெளியில போய் அவங்க பேசுறத வச்சு அந்த ஊர்ல இருக்கிற எல்லா பேரண்ட்ஸுக்குமே ஒரு ஆச்சரியமா இருக்கு. தே இவ்வளவு இதா வந்து ஃப்ளூவெண்டா வந்து இவங்க இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுறாங்க அப்படின்றத வச்சுட்டு தென் தி பேரண்ட்ஸ் realized means these schools can help our students to create a better future அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அவங்க முடிவு பண்ணாங்க. தென் தி நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல இருந்து புதுசா சேரக்கூடிய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் அங்கதான் சேர்ந்தாங்க. தி ஆல்ரெடி டிசி வாங்கிட்டு போய் வெளியில வேற ஸ்கூல்ல சேர்ந்தவங்களும் தே கேம் பேக் டு தட் பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்கூல்ஸ். ஸோ இது ரெண்டுமே என்னன்னா இந்த டூ பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்கூல்ஸுமே ஆக்சுவலா அந்த ஹெட்ஸ் வந்து they were studied in a particular institution. So because of that அந்த ஒரு ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்ல அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் வந்து they introduce the same formula and they implemented the same formula in their schools. அப்படி வந்ததுக்கு பின்னாடி பாத்தீங்கன்னா nowadays the admission of that particular school is very very tough. பட் இருந்தாலும் என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா they admitted a more number of students, even actually அந்த கொள்ளளவுக்கு போக ஆக்சுவலா வந்து ஃபுல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தையும் தாண்டி they are admitted a many students. but admit மட்டும் பண்றது இல்ல, for them also they created a well furnished on the infrastructure அவங்களுக்கு வந்து பண்ணிட்டு. ஸோ அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்னன்னா இதுல மெயினா வந்து we can என்ன நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம்னா the take away அப்படின்றது வந்து the teachers as well as the head of the institutions ready to work hard to create a good environment in the schools with the help of the community stakeholders. So on the stakeholders oda help oda they can create a great as well as the greater as well as the good environment for the betterment of the students. So நிறைய வந்து ஆக்சுவலா வந்து என்னன்னா உங்களுக்கு அந்த நம்ம first we can get the trust or we can win the அவங்களுடைய அந்த பேரண்ட்ஸ் உடைய நம்பிக்கையை வந்து நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வின் பண்ணணும். So for that reason we the teachers should work hard to create the better learning environment in the schools. Actually through the community engagement the teacher can develop their professional quality and enhance teaching experiences. Then the benefits for students அப்படின்னா the increased motivation and engagement, the students can motivated and they can involve in the community activities and then improved academic performance. Because of the involvement of the community, the academic performance may be the increase among the students. Then the benefit for communities through the partnership between the institution and the community, the strengthened social fabric and economic and social development can occur in the community levels. We are talking about the partnership between the community as well as institution in a positive aspects. But even though there are many challenges while we are create partnership between the institution as well as the community. While the benefits of school community partnership are evident, challenges may arise. These could include resistance to change. Actually என்னன்னா ஏன்னா நிறைய வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறதுக்கு யாருமே தயாரா இல்ல. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் resistant to change. Then varying priorities among stakeholders. Actually என்னன்னா இந்த வேரியிங் priorities among stakeholders அப்படின்றது ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு priority இருக்கும். சரிங்களா? ஏன்னா ஸ்டேக் ஹோல்டர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே ஒரே மாதிரி we can't expect all the stakeholders can think like. சரிங்களா? think alike. But there were the priorities varying priorities among the stakeholders and limited resources. This is very, very important. The country like India, we are having limited resources in the community. But how the community can ready to take part in the development of the institution? So இதெல்லாமே ஆக்சுவலா நமக்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய ப்ராப்ளம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் வந்து டு ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் டு சேஞ்ச், varying priorities among stakeholders and limited resources. To overcome these challenge, modern school teachers can என்னென்ன பண்ணலாம்னா communicate the value of the particular institution as well as the community to the students. சரிங்களா? Then prioritize inclusivity. ஆக்சுவலா வந்து என்னன்னா நம்ம இந்த சேலஞ்சஸ் அப்படின்னு வரும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஆக்சுவலா கம்யூனிகேட் தி வேல்யூ அப்படின்றப்ப தி எஜுகேட் ஸ்டேக் ஹோல்டர்ஸ் அபவுட் தி பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் அண்ட் ஹவு தே கான்ட்ரிபியூட் டு எ வெல் ரவுண்டட் எஜுகேஷன். நம்ம ஆக்சுவலா வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா the teacher must communicate the stakeholders and educate the stakeholders. அவங்களை நம்ம எஜுகேட் பண்ணணும்ன்றாங்க. எப்படின்னா about the benefits of partnerships and how they can contribute to well-rounded education. ஸோ அதை வந்து நம்ம கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணணும். தென் prioritize inclusivity. ஆக்சுவலா இன்னைக்கு நிறைய வந்து நம்ம இன்க்ளூசிவ் எஜுகேஷனை பத்தி தான் பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். இந்த இன்க்ளூசிவ் எஜுகேஷன் அப்படின்றது நத்திங் பட் தி ஸ்பெஷல் சில்ட்ரன் கேன் have a seat or have a place in the regular classroom is the inclusive education. அவ்வளவுதான். The special children, if the special children can have the place in the regular classrooms is called inclusive education. So அதைத்தான் என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா the ensure that all voices are heard and that the partnership aligns with the diverse needs of the community. So நம்ம priority வந்து inclusive educationக்கு வந்து கொடுக்கணும். Then strategic planning, develop a clear plan outlining goals, roles and responsibilities to ensure that efforts remain focused and productive. Then flexibility is very, very important. Be open to adapting strategies as needed, considering the evolving needs of the school and community. So நம்ம flexibility அப்படின்றது இந்த இடத்துல என்ன, the teacher must ready to open mindedness to get the idea from the community. Then the advocacy and collaboration, engage in constructive conversations with the community, parents, addressing concerns and finding common ground for collaboration. So these are the strategies to overcome the challenges. If the teachers apply in the partnership process, they can get the good results. Then partnering with local organizations to achieve the partnership between the institution as well as community, the collaborating with the non-profit business and government agencies. We can have the CSR, the term CSR, the corporate social responsibility. This is the term. Nowadays, the many institutions got benefited through get benefit through this CSR fund. CSR fund means corporate social responsibility. Any corporate should have the social responsibility because that corporate benefited a lot through the community or the society. They must render service to the society. ஆக்சுவலி அதுதான் இந்த சிஎஸ்ஆர் ஃபண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அவங்களுடைய ப்ராஃபிட்ல ஸோ எவ்ரி ஆர்கனைசேஷன் ஆர் கார்பரேட் சுட் ஸ்பெண்ட் சம் பெர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் த ப்ராஃபிட் டு தி சொசைட்டி. ஸோ ஈவன் நம்ம வந்து ஆக்சுவலா பேங்க் இருக்கட்டும், நம்ம நியர்பை பேங்க் வி கேன் கெட் தி ஹெல்ப் ஃப்ரம் நியர்பை பேங்க். ஏன்னா அந்த பேங்க் எவ்ரி பேங்க் ஆக்சுவலா Canara Bank ஆகட்டும், இந்தியன் பேங்க் ஆகட்டும், ஸ்டேட் பேங்க் ஆகட்டும், all the banks are having the money to spend the society. So if we need any help or if we want to install any any equipment or like the RO plant or the Xerox machine or any the infrastructure. If you want to create any infrastructure to the school, we can approach nearby schools or nearby the corporates or nearby the mills or nearby actually என்னன்னா ஏதாவது என்ன வகையான ஒரு அந்த இதா இருந்தாலும் ஏஜென்சியா இருந்தாலும் மில்லா இருக்கட்டும் சரிங்களா. So we can approach them to get the funds from the CSR, corporate social responsibility ல இருந்து we can get the money to create the better environment or to create the amenities to the students. Then joint initiatives for community development. Okay, due to the time constraints, I can skip. Then the modern school teachers are more than just academics and administrators. They are bridge builders between educational institutions and the surrounding community. By fostering strong school community partnerships, leaders can create an environment that nurtures students' growth, enhances their learning experiences, and equips them for success in a rapidly changing world. So through this, we can create the, or we can the strengthening the partnership between the institution as well as